Hi, I'm Jade and I'm going to demonstrate the shooting technique. So first of all, you want to make sure your feet are securely planted to the floor and are shoulder width apart. Then you want to stand tall with the ball directly above your head. You want to make sure that the ball is securely held in your dominant hand like this and then supported by your non-dominant hand. Then you want to bend your knees, and while you're bending your knees you want to bring the ball directly behind your head like this. You then want to release the ball high up into the air and in for the top of the shooting hoop, like this. But to finish off the shot, you need to make sure as the ball leaves your fingertips, you flick like that. So as it leaves your hand, it flicks. This gives you more accuracy on your shot and makes sure the shot is more accurate. So the whole move, feet are shoulder width apart, your hands directly above your head of the ball, you bend and you flick. Good luck and keep practicing.